Model, 2017 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI 109 PS long wheelbase, hour none runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101849. MOT, the 13th of March 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 109 PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,495 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.